Hey everyone, Elliot here. Just to let you know, I have now ordered the last components for my server build project. That is the motherboard and CPU. The motherboard I have chosen is the ASRock Rack E3C236D2i, which is a mini ITX motherboard, and the CPU is the Intel Xeon E3-1245V5. They should be coming in about 3 or 4 days time from uploading this video, and then I'll make a video building my server this Friday or Saturday. Anyway, until then, I'm going to say stay tuned, thanks for watching and goodbye.